Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and feeling good today. Take a moment, slow down, and just breathe because today's video is not just a video, it's an experience of calmness, freshness, and natural beauty. In this video, I will take you through a peaceful garden full of greenery. Beautiful flowering plants, stunning shades and colors of Photinia, and a magical cloud weather. So sit back, relax, and let nature heal your mind. Look around. Every leaf you see, every moment of the wind, every color in this garden is a reminder of how beautiful life can be. Nature does not rush, yet everything grows perfectly. The plants are gently moving with the wind, create a soft, calming rhythm. If you listen closely, you can hear the leaves whispering, the wind flowing, and the birds singing. This is nature's music, and it has the power of calm even the busiest mind in the world. We are always busy, always distracted, but moments like these reminds us to pause. Now, let's focus on one of the most eye-catching plants here, Petunia. This plant is truly unique, colorful, and looking beautiful. What makes it special is it's changing the mind, changing the mood because it has a beautiful colors like purple, yellow, pink. The shades are beautiful. They also easy to maintain and create a stunning visual effects. Some leaves even shows double shades and natural patterns. It's like nature is painting its own artwork. Petunia is also a perfect for decoration, great for gardens and outdoor space. It adds life and color instantly. Now let's explore the flowering plants. Flowers are the smile of nature. Each flower has its own personality. Some are soft and delicate, some are bright and bold, and some are simple yet elegant. The colors you see here pink, white, purple, red, yellow all creates a vibrant and lively atmosphere. Flowers don't just look beautiful, they also attract butterflies. Sports bees help in pollination, they are an important part of the ecosystem. Green plants are the foundation of life. Without them, life on earth would not exist. They provide oxygen to breathe, clean air, a healthier environment. Indoor plants can reduce stress, improve sleep, increase productivity. Even looking at greenery can relax your mind. That's why having plants around you is so important. Today's weather is simply beautiful. The sky is covered with clouds, the sunlight is soft, and the air is cool and fresh. The gentle breeze is moving through the plants, creating a peaceful motion, and this kind of weather calms your mind, reduces the anxiety, makes everything feel fresh, and it's a perfect moment to connect with nature. Spending time in nature is likely therapy, and plants help us feel relaxed, reduce stress, improve emotional balance, and gardening gives a sense of purpose. When you care for plants, watch it grow, see it bloom, it creates a deep emotional connection. It teaches patience and appreciation for life. The highlight of the park is definitely the Petunia flowers and others like Zerbera, Dahlia, and sunflower and other different beautiful flowers. And the Petunia comes in so many beautiful colors like pink, purple, white, and yellow. These colors makes the whole garden look vibrant and lively. Photinia is also long-lasting flowering plant, which means they keep blooming for a long time and maintain the beauty of garden. Spending time in nature is not just enjoyable, it is also very important for our mental health. When you spend time in place like this, your stress level decrease, your mood improves, anxiety is reduced. Nature works like a natural therapy. Even a simple 20 to 30 minutes walk in a park can refresh your mind and give you peace. Nature is also great for your physical health. Walking in the park like this improve your heart health, increase energy level, provide fresh oxygen. Whether it's morning walk or an evening walk, both are extremely beneficial for your body. Now let's talk about something very important. We should not only enjoy plants in park, we should also bring them in our home and offices. Keep plants indoor has many benefits and it's increase productivity, improve focus, reduce stress. Some of the best indoor plants like snake plants, peace lily, ZZ plants, aloe vera. These plants also help purify the air and create a healthier environment. In today's busy life, we often forget to spend quality time with our families. So try to visit park with your family, take evening walk with your children, spend more time outdoors. These small activities bring happiness, improve relationships, and create beautiful moments, beautiful memories. It also helps children grow mentally and emotionally in a better way. Now let's talk about something very important, our environment. If we want to protect our earth, we must take responsibility. Here are some simple steps. Plant more trees, reduce plastic use, keep our surrounding clean and save water. Every small effort matters. If we take care of our environment today, we can give a better future of the next generation. Now, my dear friends, I want to share something very meaningful with you all. We often think about giving expensive gifts to our loved ones, but have you ever thought about giving a plant as a gift? A plant is not just a gift, it's a symbol of life, growth, and positivity. You can gift plants on birthdays, anniversaries, special occasions, even as a simple gesture of love. And there is one beautiful habit we all should start. On every birthday, instead of only celebrating, we should plant at least one tree or plant. Just imagine, if every person plants one tree every year, how green and beautiful our world can become. And not just planting, we should also take responsibility to care for that plants as it grows. If you are someone who thinks plant care is difficult, don't worry. There are many plants that are very easy to grow and maintain. Some of the best easy to care plants: snake plants, jade plant, money plant, aloe vera plant, and the Boston fern. They are require less maintenance can we survive in different conditions and they grow slowly and easily. One important thing is when you keep plants in your home, they completely change the environment. They make your home look fresh and lively, improve air quality, create a peaceful and relaxing vibes. Even a small plant on your table can make a big difference. Connecting with nature is very important for peaceful and healthy life. Nature not only gives us beauty but also peace, balance and happiness. Try to include nature in your life. Even a small plant can make a difference. At the end of the day, plants remind us of our connection with nature. We are part of this earth and it is our responsibility to protect it. So let's promise ourselves we will plant more, we will care for plants, we will gift plants, and we will encourage others to do the same because small steps lead to big changes. Next time when you visit a park like this, don't just take pictures, take inspiration. Bring that beauty into your home, into your life, and into your habits. Start small, maybe with one plant, and slowly you will see how it is transform your space and your mindset. Take care.